Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change touch control on a TOZO T20. In order to do that, you will need to install the TOZO app, for instance through the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Once you connect your earbuds through Bluetooth, then you can open the Play Store or Apple Store and search for this app. Once you install it and open it, you will need to register the account, and once you do that, you will need to also add the TOZO T20 earbuds in the app. And once you do that, you can go to the settings of the earbuds, and over here you have touch control, where you have some controls for left and right earbud. Over here you can also see the preview, what you can do with these earbuds, what you can do by touching the touch control. Over here you also have additional options for incoming calls. And if you want to adjust the touch control, you can choose one of these options. So for instance, I can press on click in order to switch it from play/pause to something else. And then I can confirm the change. And like I said, you can do that for every one of these options. And the same goes with the right earbud. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.